how to enable multiple audio sources on Android phone. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up your device's settings. And then once you open up that, you may go ahead and tap on the option called sounds and vibration. After opening this up, you should be finding your sounds and vibration settings. Now from here, scroll down and look for the option called separate app sound. Go ahead and tap on it. And after here, you need to just make sure you choose an audio device that's different from your main audio output device. So you may go ahead and turn on this option and tap on select. And after that, you may select your app and your audio device that you would like to set enable multiple audio on. So that is how you enable multiple audio sources on your Android phone. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video. And give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.